Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, September 8th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having chicken biscuit, and for lunch, hamburger. Tomorrow for breakfast, cereal and yogurt, and lunch is teriyaki chicken. Some announcements. Attendance, please continue to post attendance in Schoology. Masks. Students and teachers are required to wear masks at all times other than eating. Please help us by masking up. Yesterday, I was stopped by Miss Cunningham's room to look at her computer, and I noticed that all of her kindergarten friends had their little masks on, and I was so proud of our little friends for doing their best job wearing their mask when they could. So, good job, students. Way to keep up that great work. Emergency weather procedures and drills. Review emergency procedures with your students. Also, late duty. Today is Miss Hogan, tomorrow is Miss Granger, and Friday is Miss Peralta. Important dates. September 10th, we have the HMH growth measure deadline. September 17th, we have the iReady reading diagnostic deadline. And September 17th, also the iReady math diagnostic deadline, which the math is only for grades K through 3. September 22nd, we will also be having PST meetings. The school fundraiser begins today. So students, here is your job. Make sure that you give your envelope to your parents. It should have went home with you last night. Send email invitations to your friends and family. Write the prize code on the envelope and bring it back to school and collect your prize. This is a super easy fundraiser, and I know you're going to do great. So first we're going to watch a little video about how this fundraiser works.
TV. Check out some of these awesome prizes you can win this year. Guess what, students? Your school just started their very own school store program to help raise money. Now, the really nice part about this is that you win prizes just for helping. I'm talking about really cool prizes. When your family and friends shop or make a donation online through your school store, your school earns money. But first, we've got to let them know how this program works. We have to spread the news about your school store. If you'll help spread the news, you'll get your first prize tomorrow. Let me tell you how. Today, your teacher is going to give you an envelope to take home. It looks like this. It tells your parents what we're doing, how your family can help, and how you can win prizes. With your parents' help, you send email invitations to family and friends, asking them to help by shopping or making a donation at your school store. After sending the emails, you'll be given a prize code to write on your envelope. Return the envelope to school with your prize code, and you win your first prize. So, what do you do to start winning prizes?
Number 1, take the envelope home. Number 2, send email invitations tonight. Number 3, bring your prize code back tomorrow.
That's right. All you have to do is return your prize code tomorrow, and your prize is waiting. Exactly what is that prize? Bring your envelope back with your prize code on it, and you get to select a mystery pack that has one of 6 different amazing Wild Republic Hugger plush rainforest animals. A tree frog, a sloth, a panther, a monkey, the iguana, and the very rare and talking scarlet macaw. Who knows which one you'll get, but you'll love each one of them because these plushy, huggy animals cling to everything. Now listen up, because we're just getting started with the prizes. When your family and friends shop or donate in the family bookstore, your personal prize thermometer rises with every item purchased. Inside your envelope is a list of all the cool prizes you can earn. Things like the Rainforest Backpack Pets, an adventure-filled excavation kit, the ever-changing color clock, a crazy shot basketball game, the light-up cinema sign, a Bluetooth speaker for your listening pleasure, a light-up LED strip, the amazing Amazon Fire tablet, a portable click chair, and of course, at the top of the prize chart, the ultimate Sony PlayStation 5. The really cool part is that you can watch your prize thermometer online to see how close you are to winning the next prize. Hey, since I just mentioned the PlayStation 5, let me tell another way you can win one. This Sunday evening, there will be a drawing where one lucky student will win a PlayStation 5. Be sure to send your email invitations so you will be included in the drawing. Who knows, the winner may be from our school. So, one more time, what do you do to win prizes?
Number 1, take the envelope home. Number 2, send emails tonight. Number 3, bring your prize code back tomorrow.
Students, you're going to love all the prizes. And oh yeah, teachers, thank you for your help. Be sure to look for the flyer to find out how you can be entered to win your very own Dream Classroom Makeover. Remember, better participation means more learning resources for your school and your classroom. Students, those prizes are waiting. Remember, 1, show your envelope to your parents. 2, send out email invitations tonight. 3, bring your envelope with your prize code back tomorrow and get your first prize. And then watch your prize thermometer go up, up, up. Good luck, everybody, and thanks for watching School Store TV.
All right, I know we are going to have lots of prizes given out for that fundraiser, so make sure you're bringing your stuff back tomorrow and working on those prizes. We also have one quick shout out to Miss Winter, Miss Smith, and Miss Gibbs for helping out first grade yesterday. This shout is from Miss Duberg. Also, we want to give a shout out to those first graders who were working so hard on their HMH growth monitoring. We had to get them signed into their computers and learn a new website, and they had a lot of hard work to do, but they all were giving it their best. So good job to those first graders, and we have some more first graders that are going to try it out today, and I know they're going to work hard too. Our word of the day for today is compare. Compare means to decide if one number is greater than, less than, or equal to another number. So if you have 4 in one hand and 3 in the other, you're comparing those to see which one is more or which one is less. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Kate Shepard.